got 35 celebration packs. So we're gonna do a little bit of an opening for y'all. See what y'all get. First one. Let me put this on so we can have some conversation. Alright, boys. Boys, I'm opening the first pack. It's a purple. Black ice for the revolver. That's how we started. Equipped to all. Alright, pack number 2. We're just gonna fly through these. Gold. Bro, I got a fucking underwater predator. Pause. Alright, next. That's what it says, bro. Alright, next one. Purple. Banner for Bravo.
Because we started playing, I think, year
Purple.
7 in Brutal Swarm Solar Ray.
Gingerbread. For what is this? For Jaeger. That's pretty tough. Yes, sir. Another purple. Bro, this is a great Western helmet for Rook. It looks insane. Another
My
purple.
KD in year 8 was in the top 10.
That's pretty tough. Now, do I put this on or do I keep the gingerbread? That's the real question. I think we put this on. I like the stitching. Another purple. Nice little headgear for Thunderbird. We'll take it. Next. Another purple. Little top hat. That's pretty tough. But I think I got a nicer one for him that I'm gonna keep. Next. Blue. Let's get this out of here. It's not bad. Blue. Alright, we're slowing down a little bit. It was a good start. Let's pick up with some blue. Alright, let's not get any more blue. Let's get some purples and some golds from here on out. Alright, that's tough. I do got black ice for the skin, but that is hard. It's like tree roots, bro. I'm not putting it on. We'll save it for later. Black ice. What the fuck is that? Next. Okay, that's pretty tough. I like that. A little blue. Purple is what we need. It's not what we wanted though. Gold? Okay, that's tough. I think I have black ice for this, but honestly, who has this? I didn't even equip it. I meant to equip it. I don't have a good skin for that gun, so we'll take it. Another purple black ice. Dude, we gotten one black ice so far. It's not bad. Sure, why not? Equipped it. I don't even know what it is. Bro, what even is that? Okay, that's a tough charm. Hold on, guys, I gotta deal with something.
That's 66.
Bro, I was not zimming in year 4. Hold on, I got a purple. Hold on. What did it say I have?
This doesn't make sense. It says your average kills was 16, but your KD was just above 1.
What is it?
Dude,
Does it kills per game?
I
Are you sure?
averaged
Or is it
16
something
kills,
else?
believe that.
It says average.
Purple?
It says average kills.
It's a fucking Jaeger skin that looks so clean, but it's not black ice.
What's it called?
Fuck. I don't even know. I just got rid of it. I'll go back. I'll go back.
That
It's a
year was
blue.
1.7. Like, I don't get how your KD's 1.7, but you're averaging 16 kills. That doesn't make any sense.
I'm trying to get on my level, bro. Come on, guys. Purple. Damn, that's tough. Y'all see that eye right there? It's pretty fire. Oh, shit. What is this? I feel like I have this. I don't know how it's not a duplicate. Alright, we got 7 packs left. Not a way how I wanted to start it. 6 packs. A little legendary. Okay, that's tough for Ash. I mean, it's kind of, why is it so saggy, bro? Alright. Come on, man. Okay, that's tough. Fuck. Little legendary. Alright, for Osa. It's okay. I don't have nothing for her, so I'll take that. 3 packs left. Please give me a black ice, bro. What the fuck am I looking at? Alright. Come on, man. Holy shit. What is it? Is this tough or no? I don't know. And who's on it? Okay, I like it. I fuck with it, bro. I fuck with it. Last pack magic. Eyes closed. What the fuck, bro? Alright, we're getting a whole entire freaking kit like this, bro. Well, alright guys, that is all of my packs. Actually, we can buy 2 more alpha packs. We're gonna buy 2 more. Alright, MP5 black ice or Jaeger black ice. See, like, it's a waste of time to get these alpha packs, I'm telling y'all. It's just a waste. Alright. Appreciate y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that pack opening. It was 37 packs in total. Pulled 1 black ice. But we'll hit y'all back when we have another one. And stay fresh. See y'all later. Bye.
But I rack and earn me a medal. Way too high, you ain't on my level. Look, bro, the size of a pebble. I might buy me a watch with a bezel. Make sure you see that bitch shine. Fine shit, I bet you drink wine.